What is up? How you doing? Welcome to the sweet outdoors. Yeah, we are on the back porch. We have had a stressful day. I'm trying to relax so I don't lose my friggin' mind, but we're all good. Before I get this started, I want to give a shout out to all you awesome viewers and subscribers for your comments over the past couple of days over some hecklers and all that good stuff. It's nice to see you guys got my back. I appreciate every single one of you. For the other comments on trying these survival kits, trying some of the items that are in the survival kits. From time to time, I do use these in different videos. They're in my older videos. All the other stuff that I've tried. I mean, honestly, do I have to demonstrate this ferro rod every time I open a new kit? I mean, if you need me to, I will. So this is the one out of the Ozark Trail video, and it's going to be, I'll use it in this video that we're doing today. I'm also going to use the scissors. I'm trying, guys. Give me a break. With all that, this is an overdue video. It's fire tinder, waterproof fire tinder. Let's get everything together, and then we'll come back and show you what all we're going to be doing. Oh shit, my bad. Stress relief. Okay, as you've seen in two of the kits, it came with some waxed jute twine fire tinder. Well, today, we're going to make some. We're not making this much, but we're going to make some. Okay, for this video, you need jute twine. We'll use a pair of needle nose pliers. We're going to use a little bit of aluminum foil. And right here, I got my citronella candle. It's sitting on a candle warmer, so it's melting it from the bottom, and then I got the wicks burning to melt it from the top. That way it melts it twice as fast so we can get this party started. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take, I'll let you watch. We're going to take some twine, some jute, and this stuff is flammable by itself. Just like our cotton balls and stuff, they're flammable by themselves. But when you add the wax, it gives you longer burn time. And if you're trying to build a fire in wet conditions, that's what you need. So, okay, I got about 2 foot cut off here, or 2 foot out here. We're going to see if these scissors out of the Ozark Trail Survival Kit will work. And as you know, jute is hard to cut, especially with cheap scissors. So, there. That was a task. Woo! So instead of using those to cut the pieces that I need, we're going to use the Ozark Trail knife. That way y'all see it in action. I'm going to cut these about 2 to 3 inches long. Well, we're going to try. Wow. This stuff don't play. Now the knife is pretty decently sharp. Here's one. I don't have my other pocket knife with me to see if it does any better, so we could probably just lay it here. Yeah, that works a little bit better. And like I said, we're just going to cut it 2 or 3 inch pieces. Let me get these cut. I'll bring you back. Hey, This works even better. Check that out. That works a lot better. A lot better. There. All right. Got us a few good pieces here. It's all right, but that jute is pretty dang tough. So once our wax gets melted, I'll bring you back. We'll finish this little adventure up. Okay, now my warmer is not warming that well, but we got some good wax in here. I can do a couple of these, show you what we're doing. So I just take my needle nose like this, best way, and work with me, guys. I'm just gonna put it in here in the wax, just like that. See, it's coated in wax. I'm gonna let it sit there for just a second, soak up a little bit of that wax. There we go. Set it on our aluminum foil. Grab another one. Repeat the process. Just like that. We'll do one more for the sake of you fine folks. See, nice and coated. Just what we want. All right, we're gonna let these cool for a little bit. I'll bring you guys back and show you how easy they take fire. Can you hear me now? All right. All right. Got an old camp plate here. Try to get you where you can see everything. All right. First one we're going to do is untreated twine. This is just a standard twine, no wax, nothing. Now, you will have to fluff it up like I'm doing right here for it to take a spark. Just to expose the fibers like such. Now, I do not like this striker. I can tell you that right now. For one, this nylon cord that they have on here to me is just a little too short. So I'm going to take it off. Try it a couple of times. If I don't like it, I'm going to use a knife. So it's trying. I don't have the best angle here either. I don't like this. Let's try this. I'm up too high. And there we go. And it burns out pretty fast. Pretty fast. These fibers really need to be fluffed up. That was a better shot right there. And see, it burns pretty quick. Now let's try one of our wax. Right here, you can see it's covered in wax. Let's see if it's going to be any better. We can take our knife, kind of smash it up a little bit. That wax makes it a little harder to do that. But we've got some good exposed fibers now. Let's see if there's any kind of a difference there. Dang it. This is a horrible angle to be trying this. Usually I'd be on the ground. And we got fire. And see, notice that's burning a little bit longer. Of course, you take it and you hold it upwards like this. You get a much better fire than if it's laying down. Same with the regular jute. So the wax will add waterproof. It'll help in wet weather conditions. And like I said, it burns a little bit longer because of the wax, but you definitely need to fluff it up some. Like see right here, got me a nice match to help start my fire. Where here's our untreated, barely hanging on. And the wax that I used, like I said, citronella candle, so helps with bugs. So there you go, guys. Let that thing smolder for mosquitoes. Sage, whatever. All right. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial I tried to bring you. Okay, as for using the products in the survival kit, this I do not like. I don't like this in any, I don't like these. They suck. Most of the time they give you a small piece of a hacksaw blade, which works a lot better. Had to use my knife. The knife worked. The knife worked. Ferro rod, it worked. So there's two of the items out of the Ozark Trail kit that you've seen how they perform. Take it as you will. Do me a favor real quick. Hit the like, subscribe, notification. Give me that thumbs up. Check us out on Facebook, The Sweet Outdoors. Check us out on TikTok at The Sweet Outdoors. I'm doing my best, guys. Trying to bring you some good quality videos that you will enjoy. The naysayers they know what they can do. I've said it already. Again, I want to thank all you 99.99% of viewers and subscribers for your support. You guys are awesome. You are awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. With all that, be safe. God bless, and let's get outside, people. I may be on the back porch, but I'm still outside enjoying Mother Nature. Sitting out here with my son, relaxing. Can't get no better than that, guys. Peace.